Hey guys, are you looking fat tire folding electric bike? In this video I will show you top 5 best fat tire folding electric bike to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, Adis Oasis, model number, A20F. The Adu A20F offers a sturdy aluminum alloy frame which in our case is entirely black with the logo details in white. There is also the completely white model with black inserts. A removable battery allows you to install it while in use, avoiding the risk of theft. Adu electric bike, front and rear mechanical disc bicycle and professional 7-speed Shimano gear system. This 20-inch fat tire e-bike comes packing some serious power in the form of a huge 250-watt rear hub motor which works with the 36-volt 10.4 Ah battery to reach a maximum speed of up to 25 km/h. It has a maximum range of 50 miles on a single charge. The high-speed motor allows you to handle any terrain with ease. The engine is assisted by Adu G drive technology among the technical specifications, which automatically manages torque and power delivery, adapting it to the various uses and road surfaces. Number 4. Brand name, ZPAO, model number, ZPHF 1000. Fat Tires ZPAO 1000 is equipped with 26-inch 4.0 fat tires which can adapt to heavy snow, urban roads, beach and mountain riding. The bicycle frame is made of 6601 aluminum alloy. Suggested driver height 165 cm to 200 cm, maximum load 180 kg, equipped with LCD display, so you can check the riding data more conveniently, such as speed, battery level, odometer, and so on. You can also switch the pedal assist level according to the road condition. Shimano 21 speeds. You can choose any speed to enjoy faster riding time or experience relaxing holiday according to your needs. Perfect brakes fully protect your safety, and perfect climbing ability. 3 working modes. Pedal assist mode. When you step on the bicycle, the motor will provide you with moderate power. In this mode, you can drive 50 to 70 kilometers and then recharge. Electric. All-electric mode. Rotate the throttle at any power increment you want to power the bike's electric motor. In his mode, it has a battery range of 40 to 50 kilometers. Suspension. Front fork with lockout and 4-linkage bar suspension system for maximum comfort riding. Hidden aluminum alloy waterproof lithium battery compartment with anti-theft allows you to ride safely. Number 3. Brand name, JINGHMA, model number, R7. R7 electric bicycle is equipped with hydraulic brake and power off system. When you brake, the e-bike cuts power and activates the braking system. Stop the electric bike quickly to ensure driving safety. The R7 adopts a dual shock absorption system with 26-inch 4.0 fat tires so that the vehicle has a good shock absorption effect on daily roads and can better adapt to various road conditions such as snow, roads, beaches, and mountains. The aluminum alloy frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy which is light and strong. Hydraulic disc brakes make your riding trip safety. Strong high-strength carbon steel suspension fork and 7-speed shift system can give you a comfortable and safety ride. The battery is integrated into the frame of the frame, which not only saves space but also gives the bike a more attractive exterior design while keeping it safe and durable. The operating area is equipped with switches, lights, horns, indicator lights, and speed buttons. Even if you've never ridden an e-bike before, you can quickly learn all the features. Foldable and easy to transport, the R7 fits in the trunk of most passenger cars. Cycling to watch races and concerts can also help you avoid traffic jams and get to your destination quickly. Cycling trips with friends or family can also be a pleasure during the holidays. The wheel has a large contact area with the ground, and the ability to resist pits is stronger. Number 2. Brand name, Shengmilo, model number, MX-01. Shengmilo MX-01 electric bike is equipped with a powerful motor, Shimano 21-speed shifter system, the aluminum alloy frame and positioning chain making the overall transmission system smooth and durable. The MX-01's motor uses an updated and specialized inner ring which enables high temperature resistance and better heat dissipation. MX-01's brushless geared hub motor will help you conquer any obstacle in your chosen terrain. The battery is one of the most important components of an electric bike. MX-01 is equipped with a lithium-ion 48-volt 12.8 ampere-hour removable battery to ensure a long lifespan and high performance. The LCD display can monitor the speed, battery usage and cycling trip distance. MX-01 center axis sensor, direct inductive electric power assistance system smoothly and naturally intervenes and exits sensitively. Fat tires have grip on any terrain, on 26-inch wheels mounted on MTB's Chaoyang 4.0 tires. Number 1. Brand name, JINGHMA, model number, R5. JINGHMA R5 is a full suspension fat folding bike with an aluminum frame with a front suspension fork. The 26-inch 4.0 fat tires of JINGHMA R5 help tackle the tough sand, snow, or road with ease. The R5 electric bike is made of high-strength aluminum alloy frame. The battery is inside the frame and can be taken out for charging or charged inside the frame. It is space-saving, safe and durable and also gives the bike a more attractive design. Equipped with a smart lithium battery charger, fast charging only need 4 to 6 hours. The battery supports about 900 times the recharge cycle. The battery can be charged up and down the bicycle, providing you with more convenience. JINGHMA R5 can simply meet all your riding needs when you are in long-distance cycling. The LED smart meter has low energy consumption and strong permeability. It can clearly see all bicycle information in the meter in rainy and foggy weather and at night. The waterproof trunk line can ride in rainy and snowy weather to avoid safety accidents due to bad weather. Foldable and easy to transport, the R5 fits in the trunk of most passenger cars. Cycling to watch races and concerts can also help you avoid traffic jams and get to your destination quickly. The Shimano series developed from driving behavior has demonstrated its commitment to the test of time. Even in professional accessories, it always shows its quality and durability. JINGHMA R5 has a double electric disc brake system to ensure the safety of your riding trip. With front and rear disc brakes, the power will automatically cut off to provide reliable all-weather stopping power. With the 120mm front suspension fork and rear host link 4-bar suspension, JINGHMA R5 provides an active plush ride and reduces feedback from braking. The high-strength front suspension fork and rear suspension can make your riding comfort one step higher.